Welcome again. My name is Manny. I stay today in the breezes by night, close to the land's end in Gran Solmar. It's really honor and offer you today about the special cocktail about the Cinco de Mayo. Everybody knows is the special event in Mexico, and I offer you really nice detail about the Martini. The base is the Avocado. Comes to the little detail about the mezcal. So I promise to you love it. Okay. So bienvenidos. The first I offer you, I need a really fresh products from Michoacan. Sometimes it's avocado or aguacate, so I prefer say it's aguacate. And I put a little pieces about right here. It's around to the maybe half pieces about the aguacate. Put a little lime juice. It's the 1 ounce. Okay, and I need to make a puree. Okay, the base is the really dry puree. Okay, so sometimes the people put everything, the liquor or mix or sugar, but the first you need to use to be is the avocado and lime. That's it. When you have ready the puree, okay, you need to put 1 ounce about the homemade syrup. Okay. A little detail about the orange juice. It's the same like that. 1 ounce. In this moment, I need, this is the tlacuache. This is from Herrera. This is the espadín mezcal. It's the herb distillation from the agave. And we have United States in the country offer you this type of product. So I give it to you 2 ounce. A little bit more. Okay. I need triple sec. It's liquor from orange peel. 1 ounce as well. And then the sparkling. I put a little some ice. And I need really subtle shake and filter. Okay, I need 1 glass. I prepare something special for you today. Is the ring I put is a salt, is a warm salt, comes to the pour ring. It's a combination. I give it to you more structure and more flavor. So I promise to you love it with a combination with the cocktail. And I put now single. Okay. Everything is really fresh. Almost is the form on the table. The reason we have really close. Look at that, the beautiful view. So I promise to you, you'll love it. And to the end, I need something decoration in the top. Put a little slice about the lime, and I put a little leaf about the coriander or cilantro. So I give it to you really, really nice option. Okay? So you need to enjoy. Tasty. Bye-bye.